What is good, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today we have the largest box that we're ever going to be unboxing on this channel from the Network app. Now, if you don't remember, a few months ago, Network app sent me a $50,000 box full of the rarest Air Jordan sneakers that one of you guys actually won off of the Network app for literally $1. So today they sent out another box, which is for the Family Style Festival. It's going to be May 19th to May 20th, and this box in here is another crazy box full of sneakers and something to do with food, and that's all I really know about it. So food, sneakers, crazy display. I'm so excited to see. So let's go ahead. We're gonna grab our Supreme work gloves. We're gonna grab our drill. We're gonna open this up. We have to unscrew this entire thing and see what's inside. I'm so excited. Let's go ahead, jump into the time lapse. All right, guys, so I think I got all the screws off. I'm gonna go ahead and take this front plate off and see what we have. What is that? What the heck is that? Bro, a nutritional facts, value 20K. Wait, oh, are all these sneakers inside? That's insane, look at this thing. It's like a metal lunch box with wheels. All right, we have to open this whole thing up, take off all the other sides so we can roll this out. This is insane. This is the craziest packaging we've ever seen. It's a literal like lunchbox, I think. All right, so basically what I'm gonna do to attack this is to take this side off. So I think we can undo that and it'll kind of roll out this way. I think that's what'll work. I think it'll be easier because there's more, yeah. So I'm just gonna keep going on this and time lapse up again. Yep, there we go. Oh my, dude. This thing is insane. This is Family Style to go. I can't wait to show you guys this. I kind of want to like blur it out until you can see the full effect. This is, if you look at it from this angle, like this gradient paint job. We're in, oh, hold on. Look at this. So you guys can see the event now, the Family Style to Go event, May 19th to May 20th, from the Hundreds and Network app. It says always fresh. We have a chef with a sneaker on the side there, burger here, and then the nutritional facts, which has all the sneakers that I would assume, where's the opening? Oh, it's right here. So I assume anything listed in here with all these prices, $5,500, $2,100 is inside of here. So let's see what we got. Let's see. Oh, this is insane. I want to make sure you guys can see this whole thing when I open it. All right. Oh, guys, look at this. Oh my, the Krispy Kreme. Oh, all right. I'm getting way too ahead of myself. Let's roll this back over to the studio area. We're gonna take these shoes out one by one, see what's inside, and explain to you guys how you can win this whole entire thing, just like the last guy won the $50,000 Jordan box. Let's roll this over to the other area. All right, guys, so we have our massive lunchbox. Let's go ahead and let's break this down and see what's inside. All right, so let's open this up. Again, Family Style to Go. After I show you guys some of the shoes, I'll let you guys know what the event is. So let's go. All right, I see some Kyrie Irving. Oh my gosh. Let's go for this one right here. We'll just pull out an SB and let's head to the table. So as you can see, we have an SB box, obviously. This looks like a kind of like an older SB box, or I'm hoping from what these names I'm kind of seeing that these have something to do with food. And I think these might be food collaboration sneakers, and it's $20,000 worth. So let's see what we have. Nike SB box, size 10, and we have, to start it off, a shoe that you guys have seen a lot on this channel, the purple lobsters. Obviously, that has to do with that because lobster is a food. You have like the strap here that's meant to be like the lobster claw. This one, let's see, the price on these is $1,050. We have the purple lobsters here. It looks like you guys are gonna see a lot more of these. Oh my gosh. You guys are gonna see a lot more of these in this box. This is the first one, purple lobster. Of course, it comes out with the purple lobster, a shoe that we've seen a ton here on this channel. The different laces and everything. That's insane. So let's see. I kind of want to go. Let's go for something different. Let's go for this pair right here. This is a newer SB box. So I wonder if this gonna be the Chunky Dunkies. This is gonna be two that I'm very familiar with. The pair that I have right there. Let's see. Let's see. We have a pair of Chunky Dunkies. How did I guess that? It's only right because it's a food-related sneaker. Obviously, this is the Ben & Jerry's Chunky Dunky. You have the cow like fur here. Is that what you would call it? You have the different like crazy colors, the rainbow on the inside. This is like a shoe that has not left my collection because it's such a crazy sneaker. This one is a size 10 as well. So this is crazy. One of you guys is gonna win all of these shoes and have just the craziest food related sneaker collection of all time. And that's crazy. So Ben & Jerry, Nike SB, Chunky Dunky, 2 for 2. Let's keep going. All right, look at this tray. Let's pull this one out. All the SBs. This is an SB tray. All the SBs there. Let's see what we have next. We have, oh, what are these? This is kind of like a denim material. Oh, is this it's like a peach? Momofuku? David Chang Nike SB Dunk High Pro. Momofuku? It looks like it has a peach on there. Like Justin Bieber said, get my peaches down in Georgia. I assume that's a peach right there. That's pretty cool. Got the gum bottom. You have like the green little hit there. It's the green SB. Looks like a black denim all throughout. And this is just a dead stock pair. It looks like a size 10 as well. This is a pair that I've never seen before though. This is pretty cool. This one they had valued about 500 bucks. The Chunky Dunkies, they had those at 1,600 bucks. Solid pairs there. We need to keep going because we have so many pairs. So we got more SBs. We have a Kyrie Irving. All right, let's go. Oh my. We have a Krispy Kreme box here. Oh my, this is crazy. I've seen this pair, but not with the box. Obviously never in person. This is a Krispy Kreme Kyrie Irving, hot Krispy Kreme now. Dang, but it's a Krispy Kreme. Get it? Oh my gosh. Game's so sweet. Let's pull this up. All right, got the Kyrie logo. Oh, a nice fresh batch of hot Krispy Kreme donuts would be real nice right now. All right, we have the Kyries right there. Pull the other one out. I've got a couple different versions of these Kyries. This one I've never seen. I've actually had the Lucky Charms, well, they'll probably be in here. This is the craziest box. This is the best box so far, obviously. Kyrie Irving Krispy Kreme. It doesn't look like there's much going on that like shows Krispy Kreme on there besides the colors. The inside, you have his signature, just kind of like the colors and kind of splatter. That's all it is for that, but it's still really cool. That box is what's crazy. That box even to just display. And these are a size 11 as well, they're my size. Nike ID on the inside, that's crazy. That is a legendary collab. The fact that Krispy Kreme did a collab with Kyrie Irving and Nike, nuts. So we're 4 shoes deep, and we have 15. Let's see, let's keep pulling our drawers out. Let's go for, this looks like maybe a Air Force? No, Air Max 90. Is this the Bacons? I think this is the Bacons. It is. I didn't think they'd have that much of a recent release in here. Check that out. The Nike Air Max 90 Bacons. One of the recent releases. Kind of got that crazy bacon meaty color. But this is another pair. A lot of you guys probably know about these. Pretty cool. I just recently got a pair as well. And it's just a crazy collab. There's one like box, like a special edition box came out with them that was insane. But the Bacons, of course, bacon food. So we're gonna do one more pair, and then we're gonna go into what this festival's about, and then we'll show the rest of them. So let's pull this out. Nike SB box. This is an older one. This is a low premium, size 10. If I had to guess anything on these, I have no clue. We have, oh my. These are, Nick, I know you love these. Dang. I don't even know the name of these. I think these may be the Miller High Lifes because they have like bubbles on them. Yeah, so these are the Miller High Lifes. You have like the crazy green around there. It looks like a bubbly swoosh, the bubbles on the inside. This is a crazy sneaker. This is one for sure that I can see Nick wearing. Let's see what they have these at. These are at 700 bucks, size 10. These are crazy. These are actually really nice. Release year on these was 2009, so about 12 years ago. Miller High Life, and if I'm thinking beers, Nike SB, I have to think that there's another sneaker in here that's a classic. But let's go ahead, give you guys some information on the family style event and how you can win all of these sneakers. The details of this event are on May 19th to May 20th on the Network app, so make sure you go ahead, download the Network app. Is the Family Style To Go Festival, which is a 2-day virtual food event celebrating the intersection of cuisine and street culture. The drawing is opening right now for all of the sneakers that you've seen and the sneakers that you're about to see, $20,000 worth. The whole thing is curated by the hundreds and is hosted by the legendary Oakland rapper E40, which which is insane, as well as world-renowned chef Maddie Matheson. So it's a 2-day live stream event with some of the heaviest hitters in street world, some of the heaviest hitters in the chef world. Don't forget to download the network app and use your referral code to invite any sort of friends who can get extra drawing entries. All right, so we did the first 6. Let's move these to the side and get on to the next. Let's move into our lunchbox and see what we want. We have I think this is, oh wait, oh my gosh, this box, let's pull this out. This one's a little tight to come out, but let's pull this out. Look at this. We have another, oh my. Kyrie gets the craziest collabs. All right, Kyrie basketball, a Kyrie way to start your day. This is obviously Cinnamon Toast Crunch. He's got the Kyrie logo on there, crossover assist. Kyrie Irving on the side. This is crazy. I've genuinely never seen this in person before. We're gonna go ahead and open it from the bottom because I think it's not taped as much, but let's go ahead, let's get this out and see. I've never seen this packaging before. I think it'll slide out. I don't even see the size. It has like the career points per game. Oh my, that's so sweet. Nike basketball, Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Whoa, oh, it has a spoon and a bowl. Cinnamon Toast Crunch spoon. And the sneakers on the inside. Check this out. Kyrie way to start your day. Got the bowl here. Check that out. Cinnamon Toast Crunch. This is like the bag that your ice cream, your cereal comes in. Let's pull these out. Oh my. And then you got the Cinnamon Toast Crunch in the back right there. Look at these. Wow. The insole has straight Cinnamon Toast Crunch on it. Got the Kellogg's logo back there. Cinnamon Toast Crunch on the tongue. That's a crazy pair. Like I said, Kyrie's got some of the craziest collabs. What are these going for? These ones, Cinnamon Toast Crunch, $1,000. Sheesh. All right, let's keep going. We got a lot of cool stuff. We gotta keep it moving. Wish they had a bag of Cinnamon Toast Crunch with it to eat, but I'll be all right. Let's look into our selection. Let's see what we got. See what this one is. Another SB Dunk. This is my size 10. Oh, this one's value is approximately $2,100. I've actually had a pair of these before. That is the Nike SB Dunk Blue Lobsters. Another one. You guys saw the purple lobsters? Well, this is the blue version. This one is definitely more rare than the purple. The purple is the most recent. And again, the lobster, you've got the claw wrap on there. These are so cool. Blue lobsters, another great one. And again, you're gonna be seeing a little bit more of these coming up. Let's go. Let's see, let's go for another SB. Well, I mean, a lot of them are SBs. A lot of these food collabs are SBs. Let's see what these are. This is a smaller box, but size 10. This is a, oh my God. I remember these. Oh my. These are, I believe, the waffles. Look how crazy. This just reminds me of the OG era of dunks. Back in the day, this is the kind of stuff that I remember coming out. You can see it's kind of like the syrup drip there, I assume. It's kind of like a waffle weave. They're super light. Inside has like a chicken with waffle. This just so much reminds me of my childhood Nike SBs that would come out. I feel like I had a pair of SBs when I was younger that was this color tan, and that's what this reminds me of. But you got the gum outsole, another crazy one. And those ones are going for $499. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 left. Let's pull these out. This is one of those original SB boxes. We've had a lot of these in some of the rare SB mystery boxes we've done. This is the classic green, white, and red. This is the Heineken, oh, a dead stock pair of Heineken Dunks. Wow. These have gone up so much. What are these at? $5,500. Oh my, this is the most expensive shoe out of the box. What's crazy is that these are dead stock because I've seen pairs of these that are super beat. They're super yellowed and just like crusty. This is money. This is a beautiful pair of shoes. You have the Heineken logo there. Obviously, there's a lot of details on these because these weren't an affiliation with Heineken, were they? No, so this is like a band shoe or something. I just remember this is like a grail for like a lot of original SB heads because I mean, the price now is insane, $5,500. I swear when I had a pair, they were probably like $1,000, $1,500. Now they're $5,500. Big boy, that's the big boy. There's another one that we haven't opened yet that's almost the same price. I think it may be right, no, I'll save it. All right, we have another Kyrie in there, 4 more SBs. Let's see, we have a, oh wow, which ones are these?
That's the coffee lover.
This is, oh, the coffee lover. This is a $750 shoe. I don't know much about this sneaker. Nick knows about it, but I'm assuming the coffee's having to do with the print on there. You have the crazy green. This is a clean one. This is Nick's size too. Nick's gonna try to win this box so he can have it himself. But yeah, that's crazy. I used to be a coffee lover. I've since quit coffee. You guys know I was like 2-3 coffees a day, but too much coffee. I'm done now, but this is a crazy shoe. This is awesome. What year did this one come out? This is 2016, so still kind of recent for, you know, an SB. Fat tongue. This one's really good quality as well. It kind of looks like a hydro dipping. That's what kind of like the materials look like. $7.50 on that. Let's pull out the other Kyrie. This is going to be the Lucky Charms. This box is crazier than the other one. Check that out. Nike basketball, the Lucky Charms. Got the Kyrie on the side. They're magically Kyrie-licious. And you got the nutrition facts. Another Kyrie 4. I actually found a pair of these regular box in the mall. We went to some random mall and they had them. Very similar box, obviously. Nike logo, Lucky Charm. We're gonna have the same setup. We're gonna have the bowl and the spoon. I think the spoon fell. Yep, the spoon fell. The bowl's coming out. Let's see. Boom. Oh, that bowl is crazy. Got the Kyrie logo with the rainbow. You got the spoon here that says Lucky Charms. And then obviously the sneakers. Same setup, but we have the Lucky Charms on the inside here rather than having the Cinnamon Toast Crunch. And then these are a crazy fluorescent, like infrared color. The bottom is gum. You have like an iridescent Nike swoosh, and then it has Lucky Charms on the inside on the insole. Another really crazy one, and these ones are going for $800. 800 bucks. Oh, it has indentions on the side for the different marshmallows. That's what I was looking for. I don't know how I can think of marshmallows on the side. Pull these out. Such a crazy display. The craziest display we've had left. So we have 2 lobsters left. All right, let's see. Is this gonna be the big boy or, oh, I don't think we've had these in person yet. The green lobsters. Check that out right there. Another, they're so crazy. And again, we have the nice little lobster claw, grass, rubber band, whatever. I had the right name before, I can't think of it now. The green pair, we have 1 left, which is gonna be the red pair, which is the most expensive, which I assume is this one. So we'll knock this one out. This should be the red lobster. The holy grail of the lobsters. Isn't there a yellow lobster too that's like 20 grand?
The yellow.
It's even crazy, yeah. So, oh, this, I've never seen the red in person. Those are crazy. Those are gnarly. The red is probably the best looking colorway so far. $4,600. So we got 1 left. This is going to be a newer SB box. I don't know which ones these are. Think of any of that other that came out. Think of any? What do we have?
The Street Hawker.
That's exactly what it is. The Street Hawker Nike SB Dunks. I don't know how we forgot about that. Street Hawkers are a $600 sneaker. So this is for Chinese cuisine. That's what the sneaker is kind of after. It's kind of like a, what the type of shoe where it's like so many different panels and it just has like, each shoe is different. This one is red. This one is like lighter and green. The bottom is yellow and lighter blue. You have like a copper, you got the writing on the back. Wow, we gotta put a huge pile of all these shoes together. So these are all the shoes that you could win for literally $1. So don't forget to tune in May 19th to May 20th, the family style to-go event on the network app. The drawing is open right now for these insane $20,000 worth of sneakers. So go ahead, do not miss out on that. For literally $1, you could have the craziest food collaboration sneakers. Shout out Network again for sponsoring this video. Shout out Network for putting together a crazy box. And don't worry, we're gonna have more stuff coming soon with Network. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. This is Harrison. I gotta run over there. Signing out.